we have pre-made designs like this. So to import the designs, we are going to do 3 steps. The first step is to get the Elementor Pro plugin. Now to get the plugin, here you will have different plans to choose from. Since I have only one website, I am going to choose this plan and it will take you to this page. Now fill up these details and scroll down. Now to get the plugin, enter your card details and then click checkout. So now we have successfully got the Elementor Pro plugin and we have got the download link here. Now to download the plugin, just click download plugin and the plugin will be downloaded. Once you have got the plugin, we can go to step 2, which is to install the plugin on our site. So to install this plugin, let's go back to our WordPress dashboard. Go to plugins, click add new, and then click upload plugin. Now drag this plugin and drop it here. And as you can see, our plugin has been selected. Now to install this plugin, just click install and then click activate. So now we have successfully installed the plugin. Once you have installed the plugin, in order to use this plugin, you need to connect and activate the plugin. So to activate it, just click here and then click activate. And you can see that our plugin is now active, which means we can start using our Elementor Pro plugin to import the pre-made designs of the header and footer. So let's go to the final step, which is to import the pre-made header into our site. So let's go to templates and click add new. And here, you need to choose the type of template you want. Since I want the header template, I'm going to choose header. And here, give a name to your template. I'm going to name it as header. Once you have done this, click create. And here, as we saw before, you will find different types of pre-made designs of the header, which you can add to your site. Now just select the one you want. I'm going to select this one. Now to get this design on your site, just click insert. And here you can see that we have now got our header. And as you can see, our logo and menu have been automatically added. And like we did before, you can customize the button just by clicking on it and then enter the name you want. Once you have done with your changes, to add this header to your site, just click publish. And it will ask you to choose where you want to display your header. So just click here. And as you can see, the entire site is selected, which means your header will be displayed on your entire site. Okay, so now if we click save and close, the header of our site will be changed. So now if you go back to our site and click refresh, you can see we have a new header template on our site. So in the same way, you can also import the pre-made footer template into your site. So this is how you can add pre-made header and footer to your site using Elementor Pro. With Elementor Pro, you can create your own theme like this, or build your own e-commerce site easily without coding. You can also add widgets and animations to make your site more lively, like this.